Today I'm going to do a really easy one. Basically it's chicken stuffed with some spinach and cream cheese and some sun-dried tomatoes, and we're going to have it with some just some cubed potatoes. So I'll get straight onto it. So I'm just going to cut these potatoes up. Like this, and we're going to do is put them in some water. Just give these a little rinse, get some of the starch out. Get some fresh water, some salt. And we'll put these onto the stove, and we'll bring these to the boil and let them simmer for about, I don't know, 5 minutes. So while the potatoes are going, we're going to add 2 chicken breasts. Just cut these lengthways. I'm using some seriously strong cheese. Sun-dried tomatoes in the oil. Some spinach. Okay, so we're doing about 4 minutes on this side. I'll just turn these over. And give them about 4 minutes on that side, and then we'll transfer it to a dish, and then we're going to finish them off in the oven. Okay, so transfer these to the dish, little tray for the oven, and put these in for about 20 minutes at 180. So we'll see how they come out. Okay, so into our same pan with the oil, the potatoes. Okay, so our potatoes are done. Put these into a dish. Oh, the one I dropped. So we'll put those to one side. Into the same pan. A little bit of the sun-dried tomato oil. Put in our spinach. Okay, so that's done. Switch that off. Take it off the heat, and we'll be back for a plate up. So we'll see you soon. so there we go. We've got a chicken with some seriously strong cheese and some sun-dried tomatoes and spinach, salt and pepper, cooked off in the frying pan, a few minutes either side, then put in the oven for about 20 minutes, about 180. Get our potatoes chopped up into little cubish type thing, fried off in the oil from the sun-dried tomatoes, which is sunflower oil, and salt and pepper, a little bit of rosemary, and they smell really, really good. And some spinach underneath, which we used up the whole bag. So the chicken is laid on the spinach with some, again, with some sun-dried tomato oil, and makes a delicious quick meal. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys, bye.